Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the Dust Kitchen. I hope you are doing all good. So in this video you're gonna see how to make this very popular Nigerian recipe, that's Dambun tsakin masara. So let's get started. So I have 3 cups of maize beans in this bowl. I'm just gonna wash the maize beans and remove all the dirt that are inside. So the next step is to steam the maize beans first. So I already have a boiling water in this pot, and I put a colander on top and the sack, that's buhu. But if you have a steamer you can just go ahead and use that, but for me I'm gonna go local and use only the colander. Now pour in your washed maize beans into the sack. Just give it a tight cover and allow it to steam for 1 hour or until its texture starts to turn out a bit soft. So at this point, I'm using my wooden spoon to smash any balls that are formed. After that, then add 1 cup of groundnut, then cover it again to steam for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, just transfer it to a mixing bowl. And then just use a fork to smash the remaining lumps or balls. Add 1 onion bulb with thin slice, 1 green bell pepper, and just mix well. Pour seasoning cubes to taste, salt to taste, ginger powder half teaspoon, garlic powder half teaspoon. Mix them all together. Red chili peppers, that's crushed. Vegetable oil, 1 cup. Add in the cooked moringa. I used about 1 cup. Then spinach. And gently mix them all together until they are well combined. Pour it back to the sack and let it steam for another 30 minutes. So this is the final result of our Dambu, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.